get for like 150,000 at the Shell. That's worth 550, 575. So you could just make a lot of money doing it. I mean, all of these are brand new rebuilds. They used to look like that. People just buy them up.
Drake, I'm from Salt Lake City. Had a great day out with Brian in Philadelphia. We went to a bunch of different neighborhoods and saw a bunch of different properties in different stages of construction, all the way from shells.
Some of these joints can be saved, even though they're older and rougher condition, they get cleaned up. But this is well
completely finished units. Learned a lot. Really interesting market that he's creating within the market with his co-living situation.
This is a 3-bed, 1-bath. So this is how I will I want to squeeze the most out of every property.
Hadn't really experienced that before. It's a really neat process that he's got, and he's a very sharp guy, very informative, and looking forward to learning more from him and potentially doing some deals here in Philadelphia.
So this is a truly build it and they will come. Like, this product does not exist outside of me and maybe a few other people who are doing this. It doesn't exist at all.
Hi, I'm Dion.
I'm Farrell.
And we're from New York. And we had a blast today with the ride-along. It actually made us feel a lot more comfortable and a lot more confident with what we're doing. Boots on the ground is definitely the way to go.
The main thing is actually getting in here and being inside the property, seeing the faults, seeing the issues, Brian explaining it all, right, makes a whole difference.
Absolutely.
Absolutely brilliant. Really enjoyed it.
Yep.
First class.
Thank you.
So guys, it's a wrap. That's the Philly Real Estate Ride Along. I hope you guys had a lot of fun and enjoyed this content. This is for the people out there who want to go out and touch and feel properties, get your hands on these deals and start to understand what's going on behind the veil, how you can build more cash flow for you and your family and break free from the 9-to-5. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want to tap into this, make sure you tap into my next Philly Real Estate Ride Along. You guys don't want to miss out on this once in a lifetime opportunity. Brian Grimes, your real estate mentor, signing off.